What's going on, legends? Accounting can feel like a never-ending chore, draining your time and energy while pulling you away from growing your business. Spreadsheets, receipts, and manual entries can quickly turn into a daily headache. That's why today we're talking about Atom by Tyms Lifetime Deal, an AI-powered accounting assistant designed to make your financial management effortless. With Atom, you can sync your bank accounts, categorize transactions, manage invoices, and even generate custom dashboards, all in plain English. No complicated setup, no steep learning curve, just smooth and automated bookkeeping that helps you stay focused on what matters most. If staying on top of your finances has felt like a struggle, Atom is about to change the game. What is Atom by Tyms? Atom by Tyms is an AI-powered accounting assistant that takes the hassle out of managing your finances. It automatically syncs your bank transactions, categorizes expenses, and generates clear financial insights without any complicated setup. You can upload receipts, manage invoices, and create unlimited custom dashboards to track your business performance. Atom even lets you interact via WhatsApp or email to record transactions and get instant insights. Designed for small businesses, consultants, and freelancers, Atom keeps your bookkeeping organized and up to date, so you can focus on running and growing your business with confidence. Your accounting shortcut awaits, lifetime deal inside. Here's where things get exciting. Normally, tools like this cost a small fortune every single month. But right now, on AppSumo, you can grab Atom by Tyms for a one-time payment starting at just $59. Yep, you heard that right, no subscriptions, pay once and enjoy lifetime access to this AI-powered accounting wizard. Let's break down the tiers so you know exactly what you're getting. License Tier 1, one-time payment, $59, originally $204. Offering lifetime access, 50 AI credits monthly, one team member. License Tier 2, one-time payment, $129, originally $432. Offering 100 AI credits monthly, 3 team members, 1 auto US bank account sync. License Tier 3, one-time payment, $249, originally $864. Offering 150 AI credits monthly, unlimited team members, 3 auto US bank account syncs. All plans include lifetime updates, accounting sync, unlimited manual bank accounts, invoicing, expenses management, and custom dashboards. And yes, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Atom risk-free. 5 most important features that make Atom by Tyms special. Automatic bank transaction sync. Connect your US bank account, and Atom keeps everything updated in real time. AI-powered transaction categorization. Atom automatically categorizes your expenses and income like a pro. Unstructured data handling. Got messy PDFs, receipts, or random docs? Upload them, and Atom extracts and organizes the data for you. Conversational AI insights. Use the Ask Atom feature to get instant answers about your finances. Multi-channel entry options. Add transactions via WhatsApp or email. People who can get benefit from Atom by Tyms. Small business owners, freelancers, accountants, consultants, coaches and service providers, e-commerce sellers, startups. If you saw yourself on that list, you're basically leaving money on the table if you skip this deal. Double your savings with an extra 10% discount. Okay, spicy savings alert. If the $59 lifetime deal wasn't sweet enough, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off your AppSumo purchase. Here's how to do it. Visit the Atom by Tyms lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Wait for that sneaky little pop-up bar. Enter your email address. Check your inbox for your 10% off coupon. Apply it at checkout and enjoy savings on top of savings. Reviews that Atom by Tyms lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? Seriously, what are you waiting for? Don't let bookkeeping drain your time and energy. Grab your Atom by Tyms lifetime deal now and turn accounting into an effortless part of your day. Check the link in the description, explore all the features, and lock in this lifetime deal before it disappears. Love this breakdown? Smash that like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more smart tech finds.